Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Okay, good. Today we are going to start share words in English. The the words which gives the words which give us sh sound. They are called share words. Like or when two letters S and H combine, they gives us a sound that is sh. Okay, like can you think about any word which in which sh sound comes? Yes, there are many words like brush, sh, and shirt, shirt. Yes, all those words in which sh, s and h, these two letters comes together, they gives us a sound, or we pronounce them in this way. And they gives us sh sound. Here I also have written some words in which sh sound comes. Look here, I have written two words here, ish, fish, d, ish, dish. Fish and dish. In these two words, S and H comes, and what is the sound of S and H? Sh. Yes, sh sound, sh sound. And now you please think about some word, which gives us sh sound. Yes, think. Okay, I have written two more words here. Will you please try to read these words by yourself? Yes, please try. Acid sound is sh, and double E sound is e. Sh, e, p. Sheep. And the second word is sh, e, p. Ship. Sheep and ship. These two are also sure words. Here is another word. Which word is this? Shark. Shark. Yes, shark. And what is this word? Try to read it. Yes. Sh, e, r, t. Shirt. Yes, shirt. This is also sure word. Now, will you please revise all these sure words? Yes. Shark, fish, dish, shirt, ship, and sheep. These are sure words. Now, if we talk about your book page, here are also some, this page is also related to sure words. It's page 13. There are some sure words given here. First one is shape. then sheep, then ship, then shirt, which is the next word? Yes, it's shoe. And the last word is shop. All these words are having sh sound, and they have mentioned sh letters with red, and sh sound they have pointed out in red color. And the next one, they also have given some more words. Try to read these words by yourself. Yes, it's brush, dish, fish, and wash. It's very simple. And now you all are having some vocabulary related to sure words. Now they have given some pictures here, and what you have to do, you will write its spellings, full spellings. And all these pictures are sure words: shoes, a shoe, shirt, brush, fish. In first one you will write S and H. Sure sound you will write here. All sure sounds you will write here. Okay, this page is very simple. You can do it by yourself. You only have to write sure sound here. Okay, now your task is you will make a web of sure words, and you will write at least 10 sure words in your web. I have written 6 words, but you will write 10 words. Okay, and after making this web, you have to do one more thing, that you will also make sentences, and by using sure words. And you all know that we already have read about describing words, so easily I think you can use describing words in your sentences also. What are describing words? Quickly, uh, uh, yes, recall your memory. Describing words, yes, any color is also describing word, any number is also describing word, and some other words also, like tall, short, big, small, colorful. Okay, all these are describing words. And how you can make sentence, like you can make sentence, this is a big fish, or you can say this is a colorful dish, or this is a pink dish, or this is a short shirt. Like that, you will use describing words in your sentences also. Okay, now at the end I also have added a video related to describing words, and I am sure that these words will enhance your vocabulary. Watch this video carefully. Okay, and it's here.
Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we are going to be focusing on the sound sh. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Learners so you can see lots more videos like this. So, let's get started. Sh, d, shed. Shall we try that one more time? Sh, d, shed. Are you ready for the next word? Sh, all. Shell. Shall we sound that one out again? Sh, Let's try another word. Sh. I. Ship. Let's sound it out one more time. Sh. I. Ship. Are you ready for another word? I. Sh. Fish. Let's sound it out again. I. Sh. Fish. Let's try another word. W. I. Sh. Wish. Let's sound it out again. W. I. Sh. Wish. I wish we had another word. Sh. Oh. P. Shop. Let's try that again. Sh. Oh. P. Shop. Let's go on to the next word. Sh. Brush. Let's try that one more time. Sh. Brush. Shall we try another word? Sh. Flash. Let's sound it out one more time. Sh. Flash. Good job, everyone. And that concludes our sh words. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out all of the
Yes, okay, students, I'm sure that you all are having lots of words in your vocabulary now, and you all can complete your task uh, related to sure words easily. What is your task? I'm going to repeat once again that you have to make a web with sure words, and you also have to make sentences with sure words, and in your sentences you will use describing words also. Hope you have enjoyed. Allah Hafiz.